Sino yung bakla na judge and aka-eyeliner and eyeshadow pag nag-hearing? Ang taray pa. Just prosecuted and helped convict a member of the Lagta community for large-scale estafa. The new convict then began cussing at me, accusing me of being bigot. First for me. The joke among lawyers is that sa tagig sa second floor, puro may sira sa ulo mga judge, sa baba bakla at mga corrupt. Ito ang ilan sa nilalaman ng social media postings ng isang abogado na nakatawag ng pansin sa Korte Suprema. Ito ay may kaugnayan sa community postings ng YouTube channel na Scrutiny. Sa sinabing posts ay binanggit ni Scrutiny na Baguio lawyers reprimanded. Meron pa ba ibang lawyers dyan gustong sumunod sa kanila na hindi mapigil ang mga sarili sa mga komento nilang sablay? Ano sa palagay nyo at Atty. Batas natin at Atty. Libayan at Atty. Claire Castro? Grabe si Parang Supreme Court na to. Ba't nyo naman nireprimand yung Baguio boys na mga dalahira? Unfair naman, ba't sila lang? Ang Korte Suprema ng Pilipinas ay naglabas ng isang abiso sa isang partikular na grupo ng mga abogado dahil sa kanilang nakakabahalang mga post laban sa mga miyembro ng hudikatura at LGBT komunidad. Ang mga abogado ay nagpakita ng hindi paggalang sa ilang miyembro ng Taguig Regional Trial Court sa social media. Nagsimula ang usapan matapos na talakayin ni Antay ang isang alikasyon na pagkakasala laban sa isang miyembro ng LGBT komunidad na umano'y tumawag sa kanya ng baykot. Sa bagong Code of Professional Responsibility and Accountability, lawyers are mandated to ensure that his or her online posts uphold the dignity of the legal profession and shield it from disrepute, as well as maintain respect for the law. Pinagbabawalan din ito ang mga abogado sa posting, sharing, uploading and/or disseminating false or unverified statements on social media. New provisions promoting the responsible use of social media can also be found in the CPRA, including the prohibition on posting, sharing, uploading or otherwise disseminating false or unverified statements and claims or any other act of disinformation, the prohibition on maintaining or operating social media accounts for the purpose of obscuring a lawyer's identity to circumvent the law, and the expansion of the scope of impermissible advertisement to include social media.
Imagine batas natin ang channel mo, hindi mo sila tinuturuan kung paano makaiwas na makasuhan. At talagang mayroong nag-dirty finger pa sa inyo doon.
Oh, why don't you stand your ground on Republic Act 11648?
Hey Libayan, we're still standing on our ground. We are consistent. The law was a consolidation of Senate Bill number 2332 and House Bill 7836. Both were passed by the Senate and the House of Representatives on December 15 and December 14, respectively. And the new law, RA 11648, was released and signed by President Duterte, raising age of sexual consent from 12 to 16.
Yung mga abogado, why don't you stand on your ground na yung Republic Act 11648 ang nagsasabi ng age of sexual consent ay 16?
Libayan, ano bang nangyayari na dyan sa utak mo? Kalug-kalug din. Hindi mo ba naintindihan yung sinabi doon sa debate ng 3 judges? O eto, pakinggan mo ulit mabuti, Libayan. Pakinggan mong mabuti.
Para sa akin, from my mind and to my persuasion, I am inclined to sustain that it is the age of 16 that is the age of sexual consent, and therefore I give it to the negative side, mainly because Republic Act 11648 is more in point, and it's directly related to what we are saying, that sex with a minor is an offense.
Ano, stand on their ground? Justice yan, Libayan. Hindi lang basta abogado. O hindi pa rin ba nagsisink in ang sinabi ni Justice Baldos? O eto, pakinggan natin si Justice Ampuan.
The provision of 11648 is very clear, no? That if the partner is not more than 3 years old than the 16-year-old and below, no? And below means 13 years above. or not 13 years under can give consent, provided that the age of the partner must not be more than 3 years than her age. Diba? Is that not the clear provision of the law itself? And so with that, same with Justice Baldos, I vote in favor of the negative. No? Because it is very clearly provided under such a law that a 16-year-old can give already consent in sexual activity, provided that the partner must not be 3 years older than she is. Thank you very much.
O ano Libayan, dalawang justices na yan na nagsasabi na ang RA 11648 is the law that says that the age of sexual consent in the Philippines is 16. Kung hindi mo pa rin yan naiintindihan at hindi pa rin nagsisink in yan sa utak mo, ang tanga mo na. At kung kulang pa yan dalawang justices na yan, eto pakinggan natin si Justice Herrera.
The only question now is what is the age of sexual consent? No? And if presented to me as a judge, I'll have to resolve. No, what is the age of sexual consent? No, we have to go to the law. No, and the law that we have been arguing about is Republic Act 116481. No, although it is not expressly and categorically stated there that the age of sexual consent is 16. No, the official statement of the Senate will bind me as a judge, no? There being no other sources to draw an answer from, no? That the age of consent is really 16, no? Okay. We cannot do away with that official statement of the institution that crafted and passed the law, no? That the age of consent is 16.
Hay nako Libayan, kung hindi mo pa rin talaga naiintindihan yung sinabi ng tatlong justices, sobra ng katangahan mo. Sobra. As in, promise.
Ngayon ang tumatayo na lang dito yung mga hindi makaintindi.
Ikaw lang naman at ang mga kabatas mo ang hindi nakakaintindi sa RA 11648. O ano, natulala na.
Di ba? It's fun to watch the debate.
Talagang it's fun. Kasi dati kung makalait ka sa amin, inam. Tapos nung nasa debate, mukha kang basang sisiw. Nagmukha ka talagang tanga.
Watch it again.
May pagkasadista ba itong si Libayan o tanga lang talaga? Kasi napahiya na talaga doon. Tapos gusto pa ulit niyang mapahiya.